the realest POV you're ever gonna see.
Right here.
Bro, what even is that?
POV. The unicorn, bro.
Look at this POV. This A1 right here. Bro, what you eating? What is this? You're eating shit? Dang, bro.
S'mores, bro.
Nah, bro. Why you eating shit like that?
Hey, shut up before I get you demonetized.
No way. You already know, man, but I do the POV, man.
POV in the 5.0. Y'all gonna see how I drive a manual. People usually hate on people that drive on manuals because they always know how to drive it better, but this is how I drive my manual.
Hell. All types of hell. They gonna be hating.
Let them hate.
They don't want to see you win.
Start her up, man.
They sound nice.
Right here, boy. 5.0. 5.0.
5.0 gang. They sound loud, boy. All right, let's go.
CubanSRT vibe.
Yes, sir.
Manual 5.0. It get wicked.
This thing sound crazy. Look at that man, manual. His finger's still messed up. He going crazy.
Still messed up, man. I'm still out here.
I didn't expect that one. Hey, yo.
You're regular still.
Dang. This thing handles good, my boy. Yeah. Hey. They weren't doing this when you first got it.
Oh snap! I forgot that you haven't been in here since I learned.
I'm looking scared. I'm not gonna lie. You know how you was talking about when you're a passenger, you feel like a little, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like that right now. We're out here honking. Hey. See if we got any roadkill. Some scat packs. Some scat packs.
Some snacky packies.
But you gotta get on that highway.
Alright, man. What, the exhaust?
The exhaust.
Wait, is that gator? Is that a gator spotted?
Spotting gators out here, man.
Out here hunting gators.
Hey, we need to get a 5.0 versus 5.0. Tell him to hop on that highway. Did he just get his window tinted? He don't want to. Trying to show off for the camera, man.
Yep, so as we see, we spotted a gator in the wild. You like the prop?
Sir?
How you doing, man? How you doing? Hey, beautiful.
Don't be thinking we're not gonna find you, man.
Beautiful. What you about to do? Get another watermelon?
I'm about to get some money.
Oh, you gotta get the cash.
Get the cash.
Dang.
Y'all coming inside or no?
Nah, we just about to do a quick little video.
You trying to do 5.0 versus 5.0?
5.0 versus 5.0.
On the highway real quick?
Nah, this not a 5.0. It's an Eco Boost.
Man, come on, man.
I just changed the badges out.
He up badge. This how
Man. I hate these low ass cars, man. I don't know how you get in it. I think I twisted my ankle trying to get out. He raced a scat pack and ended up getting like walked by two of them. But my boy didn't know how to drive this thing back then.
I know.
You know what I'm saying? So
now I know.
Now I think he doesn't any scat pack, snack pack. You know what I'm saying? Dang, I just realized if Rico watching this, he probably rubbing his hands like, dang, they talking about my scat pack like that.
The Rico hands. Green light mean go.
Green light go, red light go. how Charles' GT350 feels like, bro.
Crazy. That thing's probably that thing's get up is probably like,
Bruh, need to get a video with him, bruh.
him doing the POV.
Yeah. We're trying to see you swerve, Jason. Come on, man. In and out, like them Scat Pack boys.
There's not enough space up there. They all drive at tight.
That's what makes it fun. How high you get it in the RPMs before you shift up?
Like 5,000 to 6,000.
Dang. Or you shifting that before that it felt like slow, like 4?
I was in a higher gear, but at a lower RPM.
Oh.
So I just hit it from there and it made it go.
Man. They don't want to move. What the hell? There you go. Toma. Crazy. How fast you get up there?
I think I was like 110.
Damn. We can take the next exit if you want. Hell.
We're trying to get a better pull in.
You gotta get around this guy. After that, it's nobody, I think. Ain't this the way to Grace Creek? I mean, Cape Fear?
I think so, yeah.
There you go. Mexico right now. Jesus Christ, man. Dude gotta put the GPS. We don't know how to get back.
Yeah, we about to go back to
we're about to go back to
Chihuahua.
Chihuahua, Mexico City, Mexico. You already know.
That's 6.7.
That's a big boy. That's a workers man truck. Uh-oh. Looks like we caught us some traffic here. Uh-oh.
It's a big American flag.
Should I stop? Should I go?
Should I stop? Should I go?